Well, good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? It's Donna here, and I am actually oh, here it is. So, they say diamonds are a girl's best friend. Look at these. I mean, this is some serious bling. I mean, I, I just wish you could see them up close and personal. I just took this one off to see. It's got a little bit of a sticky on the back. It's what's holding it down. But these things are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this looks like something that royalty would have on right here. Little bow with a big solitaire down there. I don't know if you can really see that very well. But looks like my Amayas, both of them, will be getting some new jewelry at some point in time. So if you're interested in these and seeing what you can craft with for your dolls, I got them at Hobby Lobby. They were the jewelry shop. This was expensive at $14.99, but I did get it at 50% off. The only bad thing about this that I will say that I wish I had noticed while I was in the store, there's no two alike. So if you want to make like earrings, you would actually have to get two. And I think I may have to get a second pair because some of these I could just see. I mean, come on. Can you imagine trying to fix a little ring or something? Might be a little big, but I'm at least going to try a necklace to begin with, and I'm trying to determine which one I want to try. And do you remember those the pins that we used to wear on our business jackets and stuff? There's a couple here that would look incredible, but we'll see. I mean, we will see. Let's get Amaya down here real quick. I mean, can you imagine like earrings right there? Wow. So if I get one made before I actually post this video, I will attach it to the end. And if not, it'll come later. But if you get some of these and you craft something for your doll, I would love, love, love to see what you make. Let me know. Talk to you later. Bye. So I did manage to get a necklace made with one of the little diamonds. And I might have made it a little long, but I don't know. I kind of like it. I like my necklaces a little bit longer instead of right up on my throat because, I don't know, they feel like they're choking me or something. But hey, I think she looks good, right? Talk to you later. Bye.